Hi guys, so today in this video I'm gonna tell you about one of my bad experience that I will never forget. So this is happened about 3 years ago, like in 2023 when I was in the second grade of senior high school. So every year my school has one event, this classroom decorating contest. One day before this event, of course, my classmates and I planned to stay late after school to work on our room and our class, of course. My close friend, one of my close friend and I decided to head back to my house first to change our clothes. After that, we ride our own motorbikes to go back to school. I was riding in front and she was right behind me. It was late afternoon and the sun was blinding. We were both trying to block the glare of sun with our left hand while driving like this. Uh, right until after we were getting close to our school, there was a car parked in front of a store. Suddenly, this uncle, just opened his door so wide since I was only using one hand and couldn't see. I didn't have time to hit the brakes and bam! I slammed right into his door and got thrown forward. My friend was right behind me, crashed into my back motorbike and went flying into the middle of the road. For a second, I prayed it was just a dream, but when I realized I was lying on the side of road and my friend was having a seizure in the middle of the street, I was so panicked, so I was too panicked to help her on my own. So people start came to us to help until someone sat me down on the chair in front of the store while a few guys carried my friend and laid her down next to me. Once the shock once my shock off, I realized I was had a lot of scars, blood, and bruises. My friend surprisingly didn't have a single scars. She was just in total shock, which is why she fainted in the middle of the road. And our biggest mistakes is neither of us was wearing a helmet because we thought my school just is close by my house. So I called my parents to pick us up. The uncle with the car ended up paying for the damage since I think uh it was his fault for not looking before opening his door so wide. We ended up missing the decorating contest because we had to rest at home for a few days. Yeah. And the lesson that I will learn since that day, we always wear helmets and stay focused on the road no matter how short the trip is. So maybe that's all my story. It was a traumatic experience, but it's actually kind of crazy story to tell. Thank you for listening, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.